Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to compare Angel Broking with Wisdom Capital. Angel Broking is a full service stockbroker while Wisdom Capital is trying to make its mark in the discount broking space. In this comparison we will be talking about company background, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage plans, exposure or leverage offered across segments, prominency of research, trading platforms and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stockbrokers is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So Angel Broking is a full service stockbroker launched in the year 1987. Wisdom Capital, being a discount broker, has been recently launched in the year 2013. Wisdom Capital is also the discount trading arm of Ashler Group of Companies, which is a full service stockbroker. Across India, they've got presence in around 250 locations, while Angel Broking has presence in 900 cities with more than 8,000 sub-brokers and franchise offices. So if offline coverage is one of the biggest area that you are looking from a stockbroker, Angel Broking is certainly better. Then if you're looking for exchanges, well, Angel Broking is a member of BSE, NSE, MCX, MCX, SX, while Wisdom Capital has an additional membership with USE. To open an account with them, Angel Broking will charge you nothing for trading or demat account, but they have an AMC of 450 rupees of their trading account. This is required to be paid every year. Wisdom Capital, on the other hand, does not have anything as far as account opening is concerned. Well, but they really have an AMC of demat account for 999 rupees. This is a one-time cost. You do not need to incur it every year. Once you paid 1000 rupees, you are done for the whole lifetime as far as your account with Wisdom Capital is concerned. Then we have brokerage, one of the most important factors in finalizing a stockbroker. Angel Broking has multiple plans, 4 to be precise. Depending on your initial trading deposit, they will up or lower down their brokerage charges. For instance, if you go ahead with 25,000, in that particular case you will be charged 0.28% on equity delivery. Wisdom Capital also has multiple plans. Let's check out digitalblogger.com for further details on their brokerage charges. So we'll start with Wisdom Capital here. So the default brokerage is at per executed trade level of 9 rupees. Now for every order, so for instance, if you buy 1000 shares of ICICI and sell them again, you will be charged 9 rupees for buy and 9 rupees for sell, totaling the overall brokerage to 18 rupees. But if you want a monthly package wherein you want unlimited number of trades without any cap on the number of amount of trade value, you can go for 999 rupees plan, and once you pay these 1000 rupees, you can trade for unlimited number of trades. You can also opt for the lifetime unlimited trading plan where you pay around 10,000 rupees, and once you do that, you can trade for unlimited number of trades for the whole lifetime as long as your account with Wisdom Capital is active, and there is also no cap on the trade value that you are putting in. So these are different plans offered by Wisdom Capital, primarily at a fixed rate level. Now let's talk about Angel Broking and see what kind of brokerage plans they have to offer to their clients. So Angel Broking has got 4 plans: Angel Classic, Preferred, Premier and Elite. Now depending on your initial deposit, you will be charged a corresponding brokerage rate. For instance, if you go ahead with the basic plan of Angel Classic, you are supposed to pay 10,000 rupees as margin money at the upfront. Once you do that, you will be charged 0.40% for equity delivery, and similarly look at the other segments, the corresponding values will be charged. Then you can go ahead with Preferred at 25,000, Premier at 50,000 and Elite at 1 lakh or more. Once you do that, corresponding brokerage charges are applicable. Now you have to make sure that you negotiate as well while you do that. These brokerage charges can also be even lower as long as you have decent negotiation skills to deal with the executive of the broker. So these are different plans offered by Angel Broking. But as far as comparison is concerned, definitely Wisdom Capital is much cheaper than Angel Broking because it's a discount broker. They will charge you a flat rate, while Angel Broking's brokerage is going to depend on your trade value. Higher the trade value, higher is going to be the brokerage charge. But they've got a minimum slab as well. They will charge you at least 20 rupees irrespective of your trade size. For instance, if you trade for few hundred rupees, you will have to bear out 20 rupees as brokerage charge from Angel Broking. So that's one reason that Wisdom Capital or any discount broker for that matter will be cheaper as compared to a full service stockbroker such as Angel Broking. Then we have exposure or leverage. Well, for people who do not understand this concept, basically it's kind of a loan, a short-term sort of a giveaway from the stockbroker to its clients based on their trading behavior, their trading plans of in the past, what kind of growth they have done, and correspondingly you can trade as a client to a much higher value than your trading account balance. For instance, Angel Broking gives you 10 times for intraday and 3 times for delivery in equity segment, while Wisdom Capital goes up to 40 times of your overall trading account balance. To understand this, let's take an example. If you have trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 1 lakh for equity intraday with Angel Broking and up to 4 lakh rupees with Wisdom Capital. In other segments as well, there is not really much of a comparison here. Wisdom Capital beats out Angel Broking in every aspect, every trading segment whatsoever as far as exposure is concerned. Then we have customer service. Again, one of the most important factors. A lot of people don't really care about it initially, but once they are into trading, once they understand they need some sort of assistance every now and then from the customer support, this is where they realize the importance of it. Now, Wisdom Capital gives you all kinds of communication channels, be it email support, live chat, phone, toll-free number, and the offline branches we discussed initially. But Angel Broking is not able to provide you any kind of a toll-free number. But if offline coverage, if offline assistance is what you need, go with Angel Broking. But in case you're looking for other modes of communication channels, Wisdom Capital, although it does an average job, is definitely better than Angel Broking, because Angel Broking's customer care and Angel Broking's customer support is not known really for its prominency, for its quickness, for its quality. So if you want to compare between these two, Wisdom Capital certainly wins the race as far as customer service is concerned. Next up, we have research. Now, Angel Broking, being a full service stockbroker, provides you all kinds of tips, recommendations, analysis at weekly, monthly, daily, yearly levels. Wisdom Capital does nothing of that. Accuracy of these reports, recommendations from Angel Broking is also better than average. You can certainly rely on these things. They've got a expert team to make sure that whatever tips, whatever recommendations are provided are up to the mark. Then trading segments, you can trade across equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency, commodity, and few other trading segments with Angel Broking, while Wisdom Capital does not allow you to trade or invest in mutual funds or IPOs. You are open to invest your money in equity, currency, or commodity through Wisdom Capital services. Then there are some other features here as well. Robot advisory is provided by Angel Broking through its recommendations engine called ARC. We've done a separate video and a detailed article at digitalblogger.com. You can have a look. You can have the complete understanding of this robot advisory service from Angel Broking. Similarly, automated trading is provided by Wisdom Capital, and margin funding is also provided by it. Now, looking upon what kind of requirements you have, what kind of preferences you have from your stockbroker, you can make a choice out of these features. Now let's spend some time talking about their trading platforms. We'll start with the mobile app, and for that let's head to Google Play Store. So we'll start with Angel Broking's mobile app, which is rated at 3.9 by around 6,600 users. Out of that, around 20% have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands at around 80%, which is a little bad than the industry average. Some of the stats, if you look at here, the last update was done on 30th of June 2017. Generally, Angel Broking updates their mobile app in a range of 3 to 4 weeks, which is in line with the industry benchmarks. Number of installs are in the range of 1 to 5 lakh. So number wise, the app looks okayish in nature. It's rather a little better than average. There are few concerns with this application, so you might face some performance or speed related issues if you are living in a smaller city or you are using a lower internet connection bandwidth. Similarly, if you talk about the technical or fundamental analysis, you will be handicapped with limited number of features. So that is one gray area in this mobile app as well. Then if we talk about the mobile app of Wisdom Capital, they don't really have their own. They have outsourced this to NSE mobile trading application. Now this app is used by number of traders, number of stockbrokers, and Wisdom Capital is one of them. Rated at 4.1 by around 13,000 users, out of which around 14% of them have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands at around 86%. Now the credit does not go to Wisdom Capital in this case, because this is maintained by NSE itself. The last update was done on 1st of June 2016. The number of installs 1 to 5 million. So number of installs are good because there are so many stockbrokers using this mobile application through their clients. Then the last update frequency cycle is problem, because more than a year that this app has seen an update. So you'll find performance or speed is good in this app, but in other aspects, the user experience, the usability, the number of features, well, from multiple aspects, you will find this app a little underdeveloped for your usage. If you're a beginner, you might face user experience issues, not good for you. If you are a medium to heavy trader, you will not be able to access higher number of features, you will not be able to perform your analysis, again not good for you. So this app is certainly an average level app. Comparison to angel broking, more or less they are similar in nature. You can pick angel broking if you want to compare it with the mobile app of Wisdom Capital. Otherwise, there are so many mobile apps right now for trading, developed and designed by in-house level from different stockbrokers. You should be looking for that. We've done a separate videos just for that. But if you want to pick either out of these two stockbrokers, you can go ahead with angel broking as far as mobile app is concerned. Now let's talk about the other trading platforms, and for that we need to check out digitalblogger.com. So we're checking out these trading platforms at digitalblogger.com. Angel broking app is something we already discussed. Here are further details on this in terms of number of features. Then there is Angel Broking Web. You do not need to download this, install this onto your computer. You can just go to a browser, put in the login link and start trading. Number of features are exhaustive. User experience can be improved as of now. It's lightweight in nature, responsive application, so certainly a recommendable software. Angel Speed Pro is a mature application, has been around for a while. It gives you all kinds of features that you can expect for technical and fundamental analysis. For instance, you get data for 30 days intraday and 20 years historical, and you also get more than 70 studies for your technical analysis. Then at the same time, since it's a full service stockbroker, you get access to research reports, recommendations and tips on a real-time basis. So certainly a recommendable software. Again, user experience is one thing that is a little compromised. Otherwise, this is a decent trading application. So these are multiple softwares provided by Angel Broking. Now let's talk about Wisdom Capital and see what they've got to offer. So for Wisdom, they've got Wisdom Capital Nest. Now this is obviously a third-party software. It is designed and developed by fintech. Now this application has been around for a while, but certainly in this case as well, you will not be able to provide your feedback or comment to Wisdom Capital because the control of the application maintenance is not with them. Number of features are good, performance is also good, user experience is average. BSE Bolt is for BSE trading. Again, it's an outsourced application, gives you all kinds of features. Now as we have clearly mentioned here, Wisdom Capital does not really focuses much on developing its own trading platforms and offers third-party softwares from NSE and BSE. Now they've got a browser-based application NSE Now as well. You just need to go to a link, put in your details, and you can start trading using this application. Again, it's a limited feature application. You can use it for your trading, but you will not be able to access and enjoy multiple types of features that are generally provided by highly advanced technology-based trading platforms. Then the mobile app is something we already discussed at Google Play Store. You can have a detailed understanding on this app here at digitalblogger.com as well. It's kind of a bulky application at 37.4, not recommended by any means. So all of these applications are good but does not show any kind of focus whatsoever from the stockbroker. What they've done is they've set up a shop for themselves, put in and outsourced the trading platforms from different parties, and customer service, as we mentioned, is a little average in nature. Pricing is good. So from different shapes here and there, Wisdom Capital is trying to come up with something which does not really go ahead with the positioning they are looking to stay with. Now let's get back to the comparison. So these are different aspects where we compared Angel Broking and Wisdom Capital. Wisdom Capital looks good on pricing, looks good on exposure, while Angel Broking has reasonable trading platforms and to go along with their research and recommendations. Otherwise, both of these stockbrokers are doing an average job, not really champions of multiple aspects. You have to see what exactly you are looking for, and based on that, you can make a final choice. If you're looking for some sort of advice in finalizing a suitable stockbroker for yourself, you can check out this link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details and we will be setting up a callback for you absolutely free. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much again. Bye bye.